In this video, we show you how to pitch to brands and share our process that you can apply to your own channel.
If you want to work with brands, you first need a media kit. That's a short presentation or PDF that you can send attached in an email that works as a summary of your channel and your audience.
The first thing your media kit should contain is your channel mission. So, what's the thing driving you, your passion? Talk about that a little, or state it in a bold sentence.
Who are you? Are you a big deal? So write down how many subscribers you have, how many people watch your videos every month, how many videos do you upload, how many people follow you on the other social platforms.
You are the creative ones, and brands sometimes are not. So share some video ideas where they could fit in. It helps them imagine how a collaboration with you could look like.
So if you have a format that you upload regularly on your channel, you can use that to show the brand how you would integrate the products into your video.
Brands know exactly who they want to work with, and that's probably why they want to work with you. So talk a little about your audience. On the quantitative side, what's the split between men and women, age structure, the raw numbers. On the other side, share some comments. Show them that your audience deeply cares about your content and the work you do.
Brands love numbers, and they are an important part of your media kit. Just make sure to put the focus on the right numbers, the ones where you excel at as a YouTube creator. So subscribers, yeah, those are great if you have active subscribers and not just tons of people who at some point decided to click subscribe but are not actually watching your videos anymore.
Your subscriber count, view count, unique viewers. How many minutes does your audience watch your content? And what does that mean for the brand?
Views are a good point too, but only if you have the retention to match it. Depending on what kind of videos you're creating, make sure to emphasize how much time people are actually spending with your content, because that is something where you differentiate yourself from, say, an advertisement.
When can you send out media kits? There are two situations. The first one is when a brand approaches you. That comes very naturally. The more subscribers you gain, the more emails you get. And when you have a media kit prepared, then it's just easy, you send it out and you look very professional. So the second one is when you approach a brand. And when you do that, make sure that you spend enough time working on that media kit, because it's your first impression. It could be your foot in the door that maybe leads to a long-term partnership. Just make sure to let them know that you are a great fit and that you really want to work with them.
But now the big question, how to price yourself? I mean, this is something every creator struggles with, no matter how big or small. But lucky for you, there's a process you can use, and we are going to share it with you in the next video.